Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online language lessons. The other day in one of my classes, I was chatting with a Ukrainian student who had to flee her city during the early stages of Russia's full-scale invasion of her country last year. And she took with her her 9-year-old son. And thankfully, they managed to find a safe place to settle in Germany. And I was asking how her son was getting on with the German education system. And she said that a strange thing had happened. When he was back in Ukraine, he used to act up a lot in class, and he used to complain that he didn't enjoy school, and he used to get into trouble with the teachers and so on. Now, apparently, in his new school in Germany, he's very, very happy, he's very settled, and he's doing well, which is lovely to hear. Basically, he's in his element. If you say that someone is in their element, it means they're in a place or a situation where they're comfortable and where they do well. They're happy to be doing something that they like and something that they can do really well. So maybe you've had the same experience that I had recently, where you organise a little group of people and you have a barbecue. And usually there's one guy, and it's almost always a man, who basically just takes control of the barbecue. They're like the barbecue man. They make the fire, they put the meat on. And maybe someone else says, do you think they need a bit of help over there? No, leave him to it. Look at him. He's in his element. In the company that Andrew and I run, Lexical Lab, basically, Andrew deals with the money side of things and I deal with the social media side of things. He's much better with all of that than I am. When it comes to dealing with accounts and all of that kind of stuff, basically, he's in his element. You may sometimes watch movies where an actor really excels in a particular role. It's almost like the role has been tailor-made or written for them. So in this situation, wow, they're amazing in that film. They're really in their element. And maybe if you're talking about someone like me, who loves performing, who loves being on a stage, you might say, do you think he ever gets nervous doing that? Don't be daft. He's in his element up there. Look at him. One thing you might have noticed with all of the examples is we very rarely use in somebody's element to talk about ourselves. I don't think I've ever heard anybody say, I'm in my element. Usually it's he's in his element there, she's in her element there, they're in their element in that context. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use in your element, in his element, in her element.